So I stopped doing lessons for a while because many people said they preferred the 4-string bass guitar. So I finally got a 4-string bass guitar to continue the lessons. So welcome back. Today we will continue playing with the drummer, and we will also include octaves. Okay? So on a bass guitar or on any instrument, an octave is the higher note, the higher pitch of the same note. Okay? So this is our do. This is A. Okay? This is A. For this song, it will be our do. A. There's also the same note. Just a higher octave. So on a bass guitar, when you skip when you skip one fret and come to the second fret, and then come down here, that will be the octave. That's what an octave is, okay? The higher pitch of the same note is an octave. So today we're playing in the key of A, okay? So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth octave, the fifth fret will be A, okay? So come to A. So this will be do. This will be fa. This will be so. This will be fa. This will be do. As you know, the major scale is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do, octave. So let's play the song. Do, fa, 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 do, so, do, fa, do, so, do. Now we're gonna add octave, okay? Remember, this is do, this is do, which means this is fa, but this is also fa right here. This is so, this is so. Then do, fa, so, do. Okay? So do, fa, do, so, do. Lower do, lower fa. There's also fa, but there's a lower octave. Do. Then so. Do. So whenever I say lower, that means you play the lower octave. When I say higher, play the higher octave. Okay? So play along. Let's go. Fa, 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 do. Lower, so. Do. Higher, fa. Higher, so. Do. Higher, fa. Do. Lower, so. Do. Higher, fa. Do. So. Now we're gonna mix it up, okay? Now we're gonna play both together. So we'll do do, Now we'll start the groove, okay? Now we are grooving. Okay, so let's play. Fa, do, do. I'm play regular, okay? Don't be scared to do this. Slide. See? Fa. See this? Now you're grooving. Alright, so we'll stop here for today. Okay? Now just go and start the groove with the octave. Okay? And then when we come back next, I will show you how to do something else. That's very important. So go practice the song. I will leave the link right under the video in the comments. Go practice.